Few things are coped about harder than the struggle of fucking speaking to women. Oh boy. This was me at probably one of the worst stages of my life in the past few years. I thought I was being really, really super funny in this video, using my absolute fucking classic trademark sarcasm, nonchalantness, whatever. And guess what I was doing? Guess what I was recording in the video? That's right, I was doing a dating app. Beautiful. I got inspired by inspired, quote unquote, by the Gerbert Johnson video, the experiments, the dating app experiments. Obviously, I didn't have any experiments to do, so I just wanted to get some bitches on there. It didn't end up working out very well, and it absolutely fucking tanked my mental health. I would take pictures like this. These are the pictures I would actually upload because I'm not, like, I wasn't fully retarded. But, man, I would just focus everything on the gym, but not on the process of the gym, just on how I looked, how I can take the pictures, I can upload them to these apps, and how I can fucking make myself look better, quote unquote, for the female gaze, whatever. It did not end up working because, surprise, surprise, there's no woman on the internet. That's one of the big rules. I don't know where you can see that, but yeah, there are no fucking women on the internet. That's a big old misconception. So, how did I get out of this? Because I did get out of this, and now I'm in a much better place, thankfully. It just, running through this fast because it's fucking sad to think about, because, like, holy shit. Yeah, back then it was not very fun time. So, essentially, there was, good thing is that I discovered arm wrestling around this time, and there was a specific character in the arm wrestling community. I don't know if you've heard of him. He's a Canadian homeless man. You know, he does a bunch of cool things with his life. Yeah, some say he was a special forces operative. Some say some say he was raised on a farm. All we know for sure is that now he's nomadic, travels from place to place seeking shelter, and in exchange he displays his fucking strength and power, and lets people shave his hair. So, thankfully, this guy, obviously I'm talking Devin Larratt, this guy had one phrase that pretty much saved my year. Because this was essentially rock bottom. I had no drip, got no bitches, no happiness, no purpose, no whatever. So how was I gonna get myself out of this? Well, whatever the way was, because like you kind of don't know, you just like get started along the way, and then you figure it out. Whatever it wasn't gonna be pretty. It wasn't gonna be easy, and so I needed a catchphrase that wasn't pretty, that wasn't catchy, that wasn't fucking there to sound cool to other people, but it embodied every single bit of the struggle. It embodied every single fucking way of the path. And now I will play to you the sound clip that pretty much solidified it all. I heard this before, but this is the sound clip that pretty much started it all.
Seblenkov, there's the bump again. He did the damage in the opening round, and Dennis is defensive. Has no other option at this stage. He's having to...
Go!
Sets of dominating in every conceivable fashion. It's the hand of all.
Now, it's very, very simple, but there are a few things that I would like to discuss about it. Number one is that it's completely letting go of any social boundary, social circle, whatever, because you wouldn't say fucking raw if you cared about what people thought about you, you know? And I'm not gonna go through the whole process of explaining, yeah guys, use social cues, make sure you don't yell rah in the middle of a fucking church gathering or in the middle of a funeral. I'm not gonna go through that because it's not what this video is for, obviously, you know that. This absolutely like breaks the social contract pretty much. It's a very like animalistic cry, and it also breaks the concept of cringe. So I'm not going to be apologizing for it here, for the sound, or for like how cringe this may sound to other people, because that's the entire point of the noise. It's the entire reason why Devin makes it, is that he does not give a fuck whether or not people think he's cringe. So it unleashes some part of your personality that's like been trapped for a while, and it's like, please, holy fuck, let me out. I have some great ideas, I have some great things, but you just don't access me. And this is basically the part of you that is afraid of getting judged, that like you're scared to do something. Basically, this is the number one way I have found in the past year to combat fear and to combat pain. Holy shit, just this one's very simple. I just remember this pretty much all the time. Sometimes I vary it, sometimes I say, I made one of my own that I only used a few times called, like, you said you wanted to be a bull mastiff, which is because I started Alex Bromley's bull mastiff and I completed the run of that program. But that was one of the catchphrases, like, you said you wanted to be a bull mastiff. The other one was also from Devon. It was Yes Davaisia Chlopchik, and he mispronounced it, I mispronounced it, whatever, but the meaning is clear. Don't give up, boy, in like a meaning, insulting meaning. So another one of these catchphrases is the yes Gennady, yes, because it's very, very evil sounding, it's very fucking sinister and whatever. But what that represents, that yes Gennady, is the prep leading up to it. Devon fucking bulked up to tremendous amounts. He gained up to fucking like 300 pounds or whatever. Excuse me. And essentially, nice bronchitis. So, not actually. What Devon is saying by this is that basically, what's up, pussy? All my preparation paid off while you were out there, like, stagnating. I was preparing, and even though you beat me last time, I got you. So this is something that in the past something may have gotten you, but this time, like, you're there, and you're not gonna let it stop you. So this, what else? There were so many. They were like, no, come on, Leonidas, stay with me. There was the Levon. All these were he's like holding people. The last time him and Levon practiced, I'm pretty sure he was able to fucking stop one of his surges, which is absolutely ridiculous. And so he said Levon. But all of this is pretty much superfluous to just the original. Hurrah! And he's been perfecting this for, I don't know, because he would let go of a bunch of let a bunch of other cries out in the earlier years, Devon Laird, in his earlier videos. But just recently, he's just started going full fucking homeless mode. He doesn't care about what he looks like whatsoever. He doesn't care about how strong his gym lifts are. He's dedicated everything to arm wrestling. And this one battle cry is that. It's the letting go of cringe, letting go of the social expectations of other people. Basically, understanding it's facing things head on. It's the number one way to face things head on, is because you're yelling, you're creating attention to yourself, you're opening up. Another way can be argue that you're closing down, but if it, like, at a basic level, you are opening up. And it's not that like you're doing the opposite of hiding. You're showing yourself and you're saying, "What's up, fucker? I'm here to take you head on." And with whatever problem you're contending with, that's more likely going to be more helpful to you than not. Because this isn't something they teach you anywhere. This is just the thing that I picked up and the thing that I think is really, really cool. And it will help you if you implement just a very, very simple catchphrase. Rah!